Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome to my channel. Itong video na ito guys, ituturo ko sa inyo guys ang mga English shortcuts spoken English. Going to, gonna, want to, wanna, have to, hafta, got to, gotta, kind of, kinda, sort of, sorta, out of, outa, let me, me, give me, gimme, don't know, don't know, until, tell, because, cause, them, Salamat guys. Sana may natutunan kayo sa video kong ito ngayon. Salamat. God bless. Ingat.